LG G5 LCD and touchscreen repair guide.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver. Power down the LG G5 phone. Remove the LG G5 SIM card and micro SD card tray. Press the button on the side of the LG G5 and slide out the battery module. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws. Use triangle opening tools to work around the LG G5 display assembly and release the plastic clips securing it to the rear case. Detach and remove the LG G5 front-facing camera. Use a spudger to disconnect and pry out the primary 16-megapixel G5 rear-facing camera. Remove the following 6 Phillips screws. Detach the display assembly cable from the G5 motherboard. Carefully pop the motherboard off. And then remove the auxiliary 8-megapixel G5 rear-facing camera. Use the tweezers to remove the LG G5 earpiece speaker, followed by the plastic bracket. Peel up the LG G5 display assembly cable. Warm up the adhesive securing the LG G5 display assembly to the frame. With the triangle opening tool, start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you have sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the ribbon cable when removing the LG G5 display assembly from the frame. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.